All right, Tom is doing the insanity workout while he eats his Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to see if the workout cancels out the calorie and fat intake from the Thanksgiving dinner, or if indeed the bulimia effect will kick in. You're gonna throw.
Go, Tom. Go. 18 more minutes.
See, we're going to video it because if it doesn't, he can eat it.
Keep it going, Leslie.
How long does he have to do that?
No, he should stop before he vomits. That's why I moved, because I was sitting on the couch. I thought he was going to throw up on me.
Keep on going, Tom.
Okay, stop.
No, it's called insanity. That's why he does it. Man, it's insanity. It's not a workout. It's insanity.
Stop. Okay. I'm turning it off because you're going to be sick.
15 seconds.
Oh, my goodness. I can't turn it off.